Morning class. Today's video we're going to go over multiplying polynomials. We've done this before, but today should just be a good practice about it. Now, sometimes you may see algebra tiles in instead of numbers. The first thing I want you to do whenever you see algebra tiles that says this factor times this factor, that's what the symbol in there is, a times. What I want you to do is write in what they are. Now these long strips, we'll call those x's. So there's an x, there's an x. And these little strips, we'll call those positives or negative ones. Now if you see ones that are white or completely blank, those are going to be our positive ones. And then when you see them darkened in, those are minus ones. Now, I've got them labeled, and let's work with them. We're going to start with this first one up here, so ignore that one for a sec. So, we have these tiles. There's an x tile, there's a plus 1, there's an x tile, there's a plus 1, and the first thing it asks you is, what are the factors? Well, this factor right here is going to be x, and then there's 1, 2, plus 1, so it's going to be plus 2. Our other factor, we still have an x, just one of them, and then we have two ones, x plus 2. And now that we have our factors, to get our product, we can just multiply those together. Remember, we can use FOIL on this. So multiply your first terms, x times x, which is x squared. Multiply your outside terms, x times 2 is 2x, and it's positive, so write it as plus 2x. Now move on to your next number. Multiply your inside terms, 2 times x is another 2x. Multiply your last terms, 2 times 2, which is 4. Remember, FOIL is basically a double distribute. Distribute your first term, multiply it by both. Distribute your second term, multiply it by both. The only thing you've got to remember to do is go back and combine like terms. So we have a 2x here and a 2x here. 2x plus 2x is 4x. So we should get x squared plus 4x plus 4. That is our product. Now, I want you guys to try this one. Go ahead and write out the factors, multiply it, push pause while you're doing this, and then push play when you're ready to see the answer, all right? Push pause now. Okay, hopefully you've already finished it. Now first I'm going to label my factors. Let's get this top one. I've got an x and an x, so now I've got 2x and a minus 1 and a minus 1, so that one's going to be minus 2. Over here, I just have 1x and 1 minus 1, so it's just going to be x minus 1. Those are my factors. Now to get our product, it just means multiply. So we have 2x minus 2, and we need to multiply it by x minus 1. We're going to use FOIL again, or that double distribute. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. There's an x, so it's negative 2x. Then we've got negative 2 times x, which is also negative 2x. Then we've got negative 2 times negative 1, which is positive 2. Combine our like terms. I have a minus 2x and a minus 2x. Negative 2 minus 2 more is negative 4. So I should end up with 2x squared minus 4x plus 2. If you remember FOIL and you're really accurate doing that, today is going to be very, very easy. I'm going to stop the video here. We're going to continue with the next few examples on the next video.